In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Duolingo Family Plan. If you've been thinking about sharing premium learning perks with your household under one subscription, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. First, open Duolingo. You can use the mobile app on your phone or tablet or head to duolingo.com in a web browser. Either way works, so choose whatever's most convenient for you. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to upgrade. This is important because the family plan will be tied to this specific account, and switching later can be tricky. Once you're in, go to the Shop or Super section. On the app, this might be labeled Super or appear in the Shop tab. On the website, look for the Super or Subscription area. This is where Duolingo lists its premium options, including the family plan. If you're currently in a 1-week free trial of Super, don't worry. You can still choose a plan now, and your family plan will start after that 7-day trial ends, so you won't miss out on any remaining trial time. Next, find the family plan option and select it. Take a moment to review what's included and the price in your local currency. The family plan is designed so you can share premium benefits with your household under one billing plan, making it more convenient than managing separate subscriptions. When you're ready, tap Upgrade or Subscribe in the app, or click Get or Upgrade on the website. The wording can vary a bit depending on your device, but they all lead to the same place, the checkout screen. Now enter your payment details. If you've used in-app purchases before, your payment method might already be on file, so you can simply confirm it. If not, add a valid payment method, ensuring your billing address and details are current so there are no hiccups. You'll see the pricing and billing period here. Take a moment to review it before proceeding. Confirm your purchase by tapping Subscribe or confirming the upgrade. On some devices, you may see a confirmation prompt from your App Store or a request to authenticate your payment method. Approve that, and you're all set. That's it. Your family plan is now activated on your account. You should see your subscription status updated in the Super or Shop section right away. From here, you can enjoy the convenience of a single plan for your household's learning. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded Duolingo experience.